Hi friends, today I will discuss about how to print a missing number in array. So here I have taken one example. So here I have a list of unsorted array. You can see here, right, this one. So here we can see that missing number is 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, but 4 is not there in this list. So how we can find out? We will use a simple mathematical formula to find out the missing number. We all know that sum of the element from range 1 to n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. We all know that, right? So this is the formula to calculate sum of total number. So firstly we will calculate the sum of numbers and then we will decrease each number one by one. So finally we will get the missing number. Okay, so here we will just calculate the sum of number, total sum of number, and decrease one by one. So first we will decrease 2, then 1, then 3, then 5, then 6. So last number what we will get? So last number we will get as 4. So that is our missing number. Okay. So now let's go to the code and see how we can implement. So here you can see that, right? I have created one method like missing number in array, and here I'm expecting one parameter like list of an array. Okay. So in should be a dot length plus 1, as one number is missing from array list, that is 4. That's why n should be a dot length plus 1. Okay, so ideally this number should be 6, right? So right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ideally this number should be 6 because 4 is missing from this list of elements, right? So that's the reason n would be a dot length plus 1. After that, what we will do, we will just calculate the number. Okay, so here I'm calculating n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So now number would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 into 7 divided by 2. So that would be 21. After that, what I am taking, I'm just using one loop and decreasing value of I from the sum one by one. So here you can see that, right? I'm just decreasing value one by one. Okay. So after that, I'm returning sum. So whatever left, that would be a return value. So how I'm calling this method in our main class? So for that, I have created one object, and here I have created one list of array. So you can see here, right? I have created one list of array, and I'm just calling this method object.missing_number, and this number I'm just passing there. Okay, so I'll just debug and show you. So let me put one breakpoint here, and I'll put one breakpoint here as well. So let me start that. I'll put F10. So here we can see that n would be 6 now, right? Earlier it was 5, now it is 6. So earlier it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now n becomes 6. Okay. So after that it will calculate the sum. So now 6 into 7 divided by 2 equal to 21. Now it will go one by one and decrease the value of AI. Okay. So firstly it will decrease the value. What is the value of it will start from 0 and it will decrease the value. So now 19, it will continue the same. So now it would be 18. Now it is 15, then 10, then 4. Then it will return back. So now the sum would be 4, right? And then I'm just printing out the value. So you can see here, right? The output is 4. Okay. So I hope you have understood. I'll see you next video. Thank you.